Usage specs are not checked into my Git repository. So when I pull down a project from scratch, I need to make sure I reinstall my usage specs so that I can continue developing effectively. I'll show this being done alongside the usual npm install ritual, purely because it's a comparable process. I have all the information in my package JSON and Tessl JSON to pull down both my application dependencies and usage specs, respectively. Like my node modules folder, I don't add my actual usage specs into my Git repository, so I need to reinstall both before my project is set up. I'll do this from my terminal, but I could also ask my agent. I'll run npm install to download my library dependencies, followed by Tessl registry install to download my usage specs. Now we can see we have a node modules folder containing my dependencies, as well as a usage specs folder under the .tessl directory holding all my usage specs. You've now reinstalled all the usage specs and are ready for further development.